Right, moving on, in a major breakthrough for Delhi police amid the ongoing preparations for the 78th Independence Day celebrations, a terrorist from Delhi was arrested. He was part of an ISIS module in Maharashtra, and the busted ISIS cell had plans to carry out blasts and orchestrate riots in Maharashtra and elsewhere in the country. Take a look at this report.
Ahead of the 78th Independence Day celebrations, Delhi police nabbed an ISIS terrorist on Friday, diffusing a major security threat in the national capital. The terrorist, identified as Rizwan, was part of an ISIS module busted earlier in Maharashtra. The module had planned to carry out blasts and incite riots in the state. The breakthrough followed the arrest of two persons, Mohammad Shahnawaz Alam and Mohammad Rizwan Ashraf, last year by Delhi Police Special Cell. The duo spilled the beans on a sinister plot hatched by the ISIS module to strike India.
The Delhi Police Special Cell today achieved a major breakthrough after it arrested 30-year-old Rizwan. Now, Rizwan is a part of the sinister ISIS module which is now being investigated by National Investigative Agency Mumbai, Maharashtra Police in the past, Delhi Police Special Cell and also several other agencies. You can gauge the fact that Rizwan was a part of over 30 ISIS module accused that have now been charge sheeted by the National Investigative Agency Mumbai. The main target of these 40 accused people, the main kingpin of whom has been identified as Shahnawaz, was to create a list of terror activities in Maharashtra and Delhi.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi reiterated his call to fellow citizens to enlist participation in the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign.
साथियों, पहले की तरह इस साल भी आप harghar-tiranga.com पर तिरंगे के साथ अपनी सेल्फी जरूर अपलोड करेंगे। और मैं आपको एक और बात याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ, हर साल 15 अगस्त से पहले आप मुझे अपने ढेर सारे सुझाव भेजते हैं। आप इस साल भी मुझे अपने सुझाव जरूर भेजिए।
Also commemorating the Quit India movement on its anniversary, Prime Minister Modi paid homage to those who took part in the movement at the clarion call of Mahatma Gandhi.
महात्मा गांधी ने मंत्र दिया था और क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट ने स्वतंत्रता की तरफ भारत के कदमों में नई ऊर्जा पैदा कर दी।
As the country gears up for the Independence Day, the arrest of the ISIS terrorist comes as a major security threat that was averted.